Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending shrugs ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These shrugs designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these articles. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique crochet shrugs designs. You know guys, you can design your shrugs with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet shrugs collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas related to crochet shrugs. You know guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. These articles used in winter. If you all love these articles and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.